Hi, I'm Atul Batra. I'm the CTO for Manthan. So Manthan is a specialist analytics products company. We do business globally. So we have customers in over 23 countries around the globe. Traditionally, we have focused on the retail and CPG markets. Over the last 5-6 years, I would say we have diversified into any kind of consumer industry. So hospitality, healthcare, telco. So Future Group has been a Manthan customer for a number of years. We started off our journey initially deploying our retail analytics and customer and marketing analytics solutions to Future Group. And fast forward today, Future Group has actually migrated to the cloud. So Future Group is running all of Manthan on the cloud and providing analytics to all of their businesses across use cases from customer engagement, retail analytics, personalization and targeting, and so on and so forth. So Manthan fundamentally, started working with AWS I'd say about 5-6 years back on the back of an engagement in Southeast Asia. Since then, I think we've had a great partnership. Today, we are an advanced technology partner. And when we were looking at a cloud, provider and a platform, it was very important to go with the best in the business. So we were looking for a platform that was very advanced in terms of capabilities for, very specialized analytical workloads. We were looking for a cloud partner that would help us innovate at speed and help us differentiate from our competition. We are looking for a provider, that gave us a lot of agility. Also scalability and performance obviously, were givens because at Manthan we really try and democratize analytics. We take it to the entire, organization. And also we've had some efficiencies around, reducing onboarding time for our customers, obviously around security, which has been a very, very important feature, as well as, really leveraging all the strengths of analytics running on the cloud in terms of, elastic compute, security, and the whole value chain there. When we started with Future Group, initially we were on-premise, so Manthan had deployed in their private data center, and over the last year plus, we've started migrating everything to the cloud. And so today, all of Manthan runs on, AWS for Future Group, and we cater to the retail analytics, customer and marketing analytics needs, and we have some, new areas we're exploring in terms of onboarding them to the cloud. So we are seeing a lot of scale and performance improvements. So I'll give you an example. So we are trying to roll out analytics at the store level. So there we are talking, going outside the HQ, we are looking at potentially thousands of users. So that scalability is very important. So a lot of that scalability comes from the infrastructure, that's provided by AWS. For example, Redshift is a very good example. The ability to serve out a very large concurrency across the cluster was very, very critical for Manthan. So, Redshift has met the need there. In fact, we worked with the Redshift team over the years, and I think we've really innovated, very nicely because a lot of the TCO that we have, reduced in the context of Future Group and other customers as well, has been a lot of that cost has been on the database side. So I think leveraging Redshift has helped us cut down a lot of that cost by up to 60% compared to traditional databases. We've been able to achieve 25% more performance. We've reduced onboarding times by about 30 to 40%. So all these metrics, are taking us in the right direction. Look at AWS holistically, not only across your analytics needs, because I think it is one of the most advanced cloud providers, and there's a lot of innovation happening, including analytics, but also areas like artificial intelligence, NLP, and all kinds of businesses are looking at machine learning, deep learning to make their decisions much more intelligent, much more cognitive. So there's a host of services AWS offers, and there's a lot of early access available as well. So it's always good to try the latest and the greatest.